Senasangalira khubano kimyaka 60 kya AFC Leopards. Nende kimyaka 60. Yani abe timu ino eri my age mate. Ne khebulira timu ya AFC Leopards imbo yabechanga timu necha khupa kumupira khochanga Nairobi West saa 6 abakhwangira khale khupana nende Gor Mahia ulikho kutimani abandu kuchakhola khuriya na bandu banywa kama kuchakhola saa 9 timu ne icha abandu bali tayari bachangamuke ba Gor Mahia machileyo AFC feze khulubeka lwefe nebe change khoyenda isana sikata ba khupina becha sebekiranga mbasi ta abere bekiranga samatoka matiti kado saloon cars abonyana baba na Muhammad Abbas kekirende Josephat Murila Lichungu Michael Amwai Dan Musuku wanobos na amakusangala sana kuba bonane baliano lakini ni komba ndi serikali yefwe yosi kholeriena ebukule bakhupe kumupira bano seriously ngene bakholanga bandu bechimbiro sikino bono mundu ngamwaye mundu obona mwene kapa kumpira is one of the best wingers Dan Musuku Lichungu midfield JJ Masiga alikhobula isika akaba daktari lakini bana bakhaba ne chikasi takhwenya bana bano atana bakhola bapa kumupira lakini ne bamalide bosi bakhole barena babekho empowered mune kakharreyo singa legend bandu bakhebulde bari yesi atali khonende atenju ataliduka angala kakhola byasara byesi sika bana babarera sifa yefwe nolera abere Kenya na kucha khupana nda atanga Malawi Zimbabwe Sudan in the region kwabechanga basero sana so malabandu bandu bapa kumupira bano nibo kwama kho banabo SQL nenya babecha sai kujimekhengira ya kuba yetambo ne bamala khupa kumupira bakhafwana sanga ne bama khufwana ngalunota sai kino khulende sikhulanga khuri governors cup governors trophy khwanjanga mashinani khwanja sa mu ward bapa buli mu ward ne becha finally kuba nende a team ya a county football team nende khokhola campaign yange khoba nende a tournament bari khoba khuri peace cup after kumpira koko bana sita bacha Kariobangi Sharks babukula bachebwene na bamebwene unyola banyabacham mu AFC Leopards banyabachama pira Harambee Stars so khonya khwene karajamba buli kumwaka ocha khoba nende kumupira kwebikere kwe basoreri bakhana volleyball nende kiminyo kino kyosi ili khutape into the talents ye bana befe bali baraka nenge ngembolile kwenya khuche mu school singa chabe changa abe nolera Kakamega High School Musingu High School Mukumu no chabe Bungoma Kibabi High School Bungoma High School kitimu kino chabe changa no chana Itiri my company one of the fastest strikers kama ngana Itiri High School so kwenyambo talent ino zine mu school secondary schools encourage mbabana bakasoma satikira buli munsi akhabira mu university ta baliyo bana bali talented lakini mukilasa anya ka chimbula ta lakini nyawanyola rina nende maarifa ke khupa kumupira mbo akhola rina kape kumpira ba identified mayesi kumpira kuno kumiyete limenya liyewe sikira at the end of the day Kenya bene kisendi mufuko asomie family yewe yesi amenya ko limenya lilila ino nakonya ko encourage secondary schools mbo apart from khusomia sabi ndiyo bitabu akhu encourage esa co-curricular activities bana befose babe involved ne khulaba yeta khuchebweni esene mbolrendi sindu sasireranga bulala babere bwe baluhyia eri AFC Leopards sikano cheka bakho pebano nama kho babola kumasira kano okorwa Dan Musuku abere kamaye nata Mulamba kamaye nata Masiga kamaye nata Lichungu kamaye nata Patrick Shimu kamaye nata abe omakiso rumuluya mala khapira AFC Leopards nono sindu sino sesireranga kitimu kino kibala none nya kho ngembole efwe nge leaders etimu nge AFC ne chakhupa kumpira ya khabanga Nairobi an fweze khuiche kho bashangilie mala khuyete timu ekhulekho sikane wikile so laba le khabsata no wikile no bandu bandi bose becha sike bali becha khona kumpira Kenya yesi abonekho cabinet secretary prime cabinet secretary Kenya abonekho governor Kenya abonekho speaker wa national assembly ne khukhola khuri ne timu yosi chakhube encourage lakini khubale khabsa bacha musiwanja bali sabongene ne bapa ne baluza kumpira bakenda berengo bacha khuba discouraged so khwenya khu leadership khubukule leadership ya khuyeta kitimu chefu
enze khumala bana daktari Sylvester Anami tena buyanzi sana kuungana nende TV ya Volala khuloma mukhoba ka Mulembe National Agenda. Mulembe National Agenda ni muungano kwa basomi bose ba Western Province baizalala ili bakiritsilo banyala kuendeleza maendeleo mu county 3 tia Western Province. Kwa kena ko kholama ko ka biashara kholama ko ko investor kholama ko ba yukhukhulera bandu halala ili bandu benaba benende tsingulu tsikhola biashara khande khuba kulanga bandu benaba nikhubalera bacheni banyala khulera maendeleo mu county zeru za Kakamega. Ni county bandu baluhyia bosi bali Kakamega bali mu town tsiusi mu Kenya nende bali iroi wa Kenya khubaleri halala bosi ili bakiritsilo banyala balere maendeleo kabo mu county zeru za Kakamega. Nishira khwalera shini shabalanga nga Mulembe National Agenda shukhobalera halala shini shukuranga shini sha khabiri mwaka kwa khabwa mwezi wa November kwali nende a summit, a socio-economic summit Kakamega County. Na mwaka kunu khulombanga socio-economic summit Vika County mwezi wa 6, alafu mwaka kuitsanga khuliza Bungoma kulonda ko kuzibusia kulonda ko kutsi Trans Nzoia kuendelea khulera bandu beru baba halala. So Mulembe National Agenda khunende email address inamba inyala kuba 0712 614 597 nukhube isimu no rume text wala nyola. Kwanza ndi buyanzi sana kuungana nende AFC Leopards kusherekea miaka 60 ni birthday yao. Khu matokano lokatu hakari kunende buyanzi sana shikira AFC Leopards nayo itimu ileranga bandu baluhyia bosi halala. So AFC Leopards nende Mulembe National Agenda zikhola kazi halala ili kulera bandu beru halala. Baluhyia Mulembe khule halala khuyitse halala khulombe maendeleo abantu beru batsikhombeni. Asante.
Yeah, that's what we have said that now, and we are working very well with the national government. We also have a very youthful minister who is very, very active. We are engaging him. Like in Bungoma, we are also putting up a high-altitude training center in Mount Elgon to tap into the local athletes, because Mount Elgon has produced some of the gold champions in the world. So we want to tap into that, and eventually, if we can have the youth academies, like I've said, that's going to be our target, so that we can identify talent from very young age. We have boys who are about 16 years who are very, very good, but they have nowhere to go. They just play lifundo huko nyumbani, and then they disappear into the villages, and the talent is just lost like that. So those are the people we really want to tap on. Yeah, today I'm happy to be here to celebrate 60 years of AFC Leopards, which by coincidence is also my birthday. I'm also 60 years. So I'm very, very happy. And I look at AFC Leopards with a lot of nostalgia. I remember that one thing that used to unite all the Luhyias, irrespective of where they came from, was AFC Leopards. In fact, nobody used to care where the players came from. For example, very few people knew that Masiga and Mulamba were from Busia and Lichungu was from Kakamega. So we want AFC Leopards to go back to that, the lost glory. And that lost glory also happens with Gor Mahia. When AFC Leopard clicks and Gor Mahia, all the other teams will pick. That time, football in Kenya was so high. There was no team you would underestimate. Right from, like I mentioned, from Thika United here, Butter Bullets, KTM, Transcom, Scarlet, KCC, Rivertex, Nzoia. You go to MOW, you go to Kisumu All Stars, you go to Shabana. Then even later on there was Mumias Sugar. So there was no team that you underestimated. That means that our soccer was very high. So, and one of the things that I can attribute that to was because there was very serious talent surge, especially from the youth. Green Commandos, which was Kakamega High School, Musingu High School, Kibabi High School, these were the hunting grounds for AFC Leopards. Players from Green Commandos used to play for Motcom, or MOW earlier on, then Motcom. Players from Kibabi High School, like Evans Chibinda, used to play for Nzoia Sugar. And after that, most of them actually ended up in the national team. So I want to appeal that let us go back, start from the grassroots. If we can build the youth structure, so that we have youth academies where we can now nurture these young talents. I'm telling you, we are going to take back our soccer to where it was. So this is a good start. And also want to appeal to our leaders. Let us also associate with our team. Let us, if you go to play, for example, AFC Leopards is playing in Kakamega, and then you find all the leaders, Musalia Mudavadi, all the governors, say Moses Wetangula, the speaker, are all there. It will be a big attraction. So I want to encourage the leaders, let us get close to these teams. Let us bring back the glory that we had.